How to get Minecraft trial version. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Google Play Store in your mobile device. After that, navigate to search button from the bottom right corner. And in the search bar, type in Minecraft trial. Now, if you are able to get this Minecraft trial from your Google Play Store, tap on it and then simply install it from Google Play Store if that's available in your country. If that's not available in your country, then what you can do is open up the Google in your device. After that, in the search bar, search for Minecraft trial. After you do that, you will get to multiple links. If you scroll down a bit, there you can download the Minecraft trial from this link that says Softonic. Tap on it. After that, click on Free APK download. Once the APK file is downloaded, you can install the Minecraft trial from there in your device. So these are the way to get Minecraft trial, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.